What'd you think of that new intro, huh? Pretty groovy. Eh? All right, down to work. So we have a roster method set. Looks like x has to be between 0 and 9, and we need to turn it into an interval set. Let's pull up my sheet here. So x has to be greater than 0, less than or equal to 9, and it has to be from the real numbers. Okay. We need to rewrite it from roster notation into interval notation. We could do that. Number line. So set your terminals. So 0, oh, 0 right there. Bam. 9, that's your other one, 9. And then you're going to like draw a number, a line through these guys to connect them. Kabam. So that's the set of numbers you're talking about, between 0 and 9. Now you have to go back and check to see if you're dealing with less than, greater than, or less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Makes all the difference in the world when it comes to set theory. So you got a 0, but it's a less than. So x cannot equal 0. You're not going to fill in that hole. X can equal 9, right? X is less than or equal to 9, right? 9 is equal to 9, so that one's going to get filled in down here. So to change that into interval notation is pretty easy. You just take the endings 0 and 9, put your comma in between them. You have to decide what's going to be the enclosure. Is it going to be a bracket? That means you can include that last number or first number. Or is it a parenthesis, which means you cannot use that leading number or last number? But we can figure that out. Right? 0 we cannot use. We're going to use a parenthesis. 9 we can use. We're going to use a bracket. So as a mathematician or a scientist, you're looking at a set of numbers here that starts but does not include 0 and goes up to 9, which is included in that set. So let's go back to the test to see if we got it. And I already forgot what I was talking about here. So parentheses, bracket, 0, 9. Parentheses, bracket, 0, 9. Parentheses. There's parentheses, not a bracket. There's parentheses. There it is right there. Bam. So that looks like your answer. Back to the sign off. I hope you like it. MGZ out.